And scandalous. Look at that. Look at that. Our wrist is getting
Are you still
scandalous.
seasoning water?
Yeah, we seasoning the water right now. What y'all know about that? What y'all know about seasoning the water? You put one noodle in. That's how you test the heat of the water.
Do you guys supposed to season water or no?
This is
Please
how you do
answer.
it.
Do we
noodle
need to
in.
season? Why do we have only one in?
Because this is the thermometer noodle.
And what are you doing? And then how are you
just
gonna
push
pick it up?
Yeah, I don't need to pick it up.
Oh, so how
It
you
just
gonna?
joins the rest of his brethren.
Oh, let me know when I can drop.
That's what I'm saying. Who else out here seasons water? Seasoning the water, you feel me?
I've never done that. Someone said salt. There's
Salt, yeah, we put salt and seasoning. See, yes you do.
Who said yes you do?
See, Anna knows we learn how to cook pasta. Yes, proud. People are proud of the seasoning the water.
Do we need to fucking season water?
Someone said only salt. I put seasoning in there too. Alright? We moving different on this side.
Someone said go to bed, see?
My last 2 brain cells. The salt makes water nasty and unhealthy.
That's my boy. He's a chef right there. His name is Chef
I put salt to
999.
speed the process.
What is it gonna speed?
Because if the water's salty, it boils faster.
Yo, Gavin.
But I put the
Who's Gavin?
I don't know. I have no idea. Let me see.
Someone else said, yo, but his name is not Gavin.
Nah, see, pepper too. Alan knows what's good.
It is.
At least it says put olive oil. It soaks it into the pasta.
At least so, you're a fire DJ.
Olive. Should we put some olive oil in?
Not in the water.
I feel like he might know what he's talking about.
Nah, he's a fire DJ, but I never seen him cooking.
I feel like I heard about olive oil in the pasta before.
Let's wait with the pasta first.
Who wants to go live?
No.
Fuck it. Yo, this kid. I'm in.
Wait, what is this?
Don't put oil in the water.
Obviously not.
Alright, I won't put oil in the water.
Should I put the...
How come some people saying seasoning, some people saying no seasoning?
I mean, it's already there. We passed that step.
Yo,
Where are you?
where you go, bro?
We can just hear you.
Yo, tell me.
Someone said something in Hebrew, but I'm not going to tell you what because they're talking shit about you.
Fire.
Can I put the water in? What are we waiting for?
It says, pull up the instructions in the back. Rolling boil. Bye.
There's 257 people here.
Yeah, we vibing. Oh, Sachi. Sachi.
Who is that?
Real pasta hours.
Listen, fool. Do not put oil in that water.
How can they say put oil in the water?
Do not put oil in that water because
We
if you
did
put
it.
oil,
Why not?
it's gonna coat the pasta in oil, and then your sauce won't stick to the pasta.
Alright, then we don't want that. I'm gonna trust you.
Wait, tell him to look at the water real quick.
You're talking to a real
Should I put the
Italian right
pasta
here.
in?
You're talking to a real Italian over
Should we
here.
put the pasta in yet or no?
No. It's gotta be boiling.
See, I told your bitch ass.
Come on.
Get out of here.
Come on. Come on. Nah, what sauce are you guys making?
Nah, we ain't making that shit. I bought it at the store.
There's no sauce.
I'm gonna show you the sauce I made tonight.
No, I'm not.
Alright,
Look at
pull
this.
it up. Nah, he actually cooks though. This is what we got right here.
Cheese.
3 cheese, Romano, Parmigiano, Asiago, Pomodoro
Alright.
pasta sauce.
I'm
That should look alright.
Yeah, leave it there. Let me see what you rocking with. Oh, that looks incredible.
Ours gonna look better though, not cap.
I don't think so.
That's pancetta with onions and peas. Come on, stop
That
playing
shit
with it.
go crazy.
So when am I putting the pasta in?
When it boils.
Look, wait till it's boiling. Cook it for 8 to 10 minutes al dente.
Al dente. That means soft.
No, that means
Right?
tough.
Oh.
The opposite.
Oh, I told you.
You don't want to put it soft.
Alright. I'm for
Hey,
sure do the...
Yo, Calamuri's, you're pussy.
Yo, nigga,
Yo,
hold on.
and
Kick
Kid
off your
Culture
hating on
too.
this pasta. Hold on, I gotta go talk some shit real quick.
What's Kid Culture saying?
He's trying to talk some shit about this pasta,
What was
man.
he saying?
He says, that shit looks disgusting.
Bro, we didn't start yet.
How dare you come up in my live with your sunglasses on?
Hey
Talking
man,
shit about my
I've been wanting
seasoned
to drink
water.
this all day. That shit looks disgusting though.
Nah, bro, you
Wait.
don't know. If you wish you could smell this,
Trust the process.
inhale the fumes.
I'm trusting Omer. I'm trusting. He got your back. Feel me?
See, this my guy. He got my back.
My man. I'm a mail you some pasta when we're done.
That 3 cheese go crazy though. I tried that bitch from Trader
You got
Joe's.
this? You vouch?
Yeah, I vouch. It's a movie.
It's
My
got the
man.
kid culture seal of approval.
But he doesn't fuck with a lot of food. That means that's actually good.
All right,
Nah,
bet.
yeah, I'm
Respect.
the picky.
Respect.
He hates food.
Respect.
All right,
Can
but
we
let's
put the
get to
pasta
it.
in?
Nah, it's not boiling yet.
Okay, I'm
All right,
putting oil in that water. Kids.
Nah, we can't put that shit. Yo, what else? Should we be cooking?
What do you need to tell him?
Someone got to tell me something?
Yeah.
Too good for you, babe. All right. I don't know. I don't know. Somebody said put a lid over the top to make it boil faster.
I told you that. We don't have one.
We don't got a lid, to be honest.
That's not our house.
We don't got to be a lid. Jamilio.
Is he here?
Yep, he's right there. All right.
He knows food.
He knows food.
Jamil.
So this is what we got rocking right now. We got this penne rigate,
With this sauce
3 cheese,
and some chicken.
and some chicken. Wait, oh yeah, we got to pull out the chicken. We about to pull out the chicken. That's how it works. Spirit said, why the water got dirt on it? Kai, I would karate chop you. I'm going to hit you with the Naruto Sharingan. Just chicken.
Alright. It's just chicken in there.
You see, we got the water. Oh, we can put the pasta in now. It's boiling.
Watch out, because I'm about to...
All right.
Is it gonna like crazy? Nah.
Just put it in, bro. See what happens. Sheesh.
Wait.
Sheesh. Let that shit.
Yeah,
bust that shit open, bro. Pause. Yeah, we got the pre-cooked chicken, but watch, we about to cook it again.
Did I miss some?
Yeah, I got it. I got you.
What's up? Odd.
So now do we have to stir it or no?
I'm in a trash bag.
We don't have no trash bags.
Golden in the kitchen. That's what I said. Man.
Sheesh. City of Chefs. Yeah, I need my own cooking show. On God.
Okay, what are we doing
All right,
now?
Now we have 7 to, or what do you say? 8 to 10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes. What time is it? 10:23.
So 5 minutes in, we're starting with the sauce and the mob.
Yeah.
Like in this
Well,
one.
no, we'll do the chicken, and I don't know if you. Once we're done cooking the chicken, then we'll add the sauce, and then add the pasta. And
See
then,
how we vibe it?
yeah, exactly.
What time is it?
10:23. So we got 9 minutes. So 10:31.
There's gonna be one
32.
pasta there burned.
I know one pasta is gonna be fucking fucked up, fired up.
Okay, Reese is there? Oh.
She said, "Test it as you go." So you can
Wait.
Hey, your
We
little
didn't
brother's
start
in the
yet.
fridge. I know, I'm just stirring it. Huh? So make sure all the seasoning gets in there.
And watch me. It's alright because I like the way you are. We love you. Training.
Trinity. Damn. Oh my God, his fans attacking me in here.
See, don't go.
I'm not even safe on my own live no more. Streets is over. Just keep stirring it. Jason VFX, you snapping, bro. And then you hit the counter stir on them, confuse the pasta so it soaks up all the seasoning.
Whoa, slapper.
Right? Boom. Just another one.
Give
gotta
it
keep
like
counter stirring.
5 minutes.
Nah.
Omer hate that low key. Yeah, those notes.
Low key.
Spirit knows those notes.
High key. The water looks like it's like soap in it, like it's kind of cloudy. That's probably from the seasoning. What's up?
Don't expose my singing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open the chicken.
Looking what you're looking at.
How did you open the chicken?
Stab it.
I don't like holding knives.
Alright, I'm gonna do it.
Hey,
We're about to cook 2 things at the same time right now. If we don't burn down the house, this is gonna be a big accomplishment.
Are we going down with the people? Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I know.
Entertain
Someone
them.
said, "How does this boy get accepted into USC but can't make pasta?"
It wasn't a part of the.
It wasn't a part of the criteria. You know, I passed every single test except the pasta making one. So they're like, I guess we'll let him in. Let's go live. Who else is cooking right now?
I'm a boil.
What you about to boil? You stirring it?
Yeah,
Welcome to
There's a lot of
cooking.
water. I told him I'm gonna snap on the water.
Welcome to cooking. Cooking 24K cooking. So we got the water boiling right here. And then we got the chicken right here. We're about to put the chicken in the boiling water. It smells like chicken, right?
It smells like chicken. The cold one, though. It's not ready to go.
It's not ready. Ugh.
Doesn't smell that good.
No, not at all. It smells like fucking. It smells like what I feel like an old lady's neck, like giblets smell like. Like after she's just been working all day.
Wait! Don't do the chicken.
It's already heated. I'm doing the chicken.
But it's not gonna be right at the same time.
I'm gonna cook the chicken on low.
Oh my. Okay, cool.
See, I know how to cook the chicken on low. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
My bad. We're gonna watch Dave later, guys.
Yeah, tune in. I feel like this could be an episode. Definitely not.
Golding's on Dave, guys. Watch episode 10.
Episode 24. So yeah, so once you make this pattern
Not
right
Gordon
here,
Ramsay, it's Mason Ramsay in 2020. I'm a damn to go in the live.
Mason Ramsey is Gordon Ramsay's son. Little known
Are
fact.
you using all the chicken?
I feel like we might as well, no?
Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Damn, wing 195.
That's a lot of chicken. Yeah, I know. It's not
Season the chicken and cook with the oil. Yeah, we're doing this on medium. We're not gonna do it on medium, and I don't know if she's here or not. No, but it's not gonna be ready at the same
But
time.
it's a lot of chicken, bro. It's way more than last time. We'll
202, we're going up again.
Let's go, baby.
It's probably because I'm holding the. Oh, we're going down. Bro, they're attacking us. They have no feelings.
Should we go live with one of them? Yo, somebody drink their piss right now.
Who's trying to go live with us? Jeez, slap him.
I did it again, so I'm gonna let the pass all the way.
So did we bring the bat we bought the other day?
What
Pull
bat?
up the bat. Corona bat.
Yeah, I got this shit special from Wuhan.
Someone said Omer is better.
Man, you got the fans in here. Broken Rockstar. Is that your alternate account right there?
Working it right here.
Hitting on the troll account right now.
Damn, no one's trying to go live with us.
Pick one to random, and we'll go.
I don't know how you
Smash him up
where
at the
to
crowd.
do it.
Someone's pissing. He's like your Donald Fashion. I don't know what the fuck that is.
Ask Anna what should we do with this and when.
Hey, so how we do this part?
Anna Capello. When? Thank you.
Yo, get you a man that can cook. All my ladies
I'm
out there.
turning down the water a little bit for this mob.
Respect. Get you a man that can cook, yo. On God. Your man's not at home right now. He ain't cooking you a quarantine meal. You need to come over to my spot, okay?
Damn, Italian section died.
Italian section, finished with.
All we have is cheese now.
It had a good run. Oh, we're going to use that too. Don't worry.
Where?
I'm going to put it on the pasta.
Oh, the Parmesan,
Yeah, the Parmigiano. The Parmigiano. Someone said it needs more oil.
Bitches, don't tell me
You need
what
more
to do.
oil with that. You need to get the slickness, okay? Someone said the chicken looks a little dry. Let me get a little more oil.
Don't tell it. We killed it
It's a
today.
little bit. I know, but we can always.
killed
We're
it.
going for the best. The best.
Yeah, but they don't know. That's why they watch us and we don't watch them.
True. True. Yeah, maybe they watch us because they know about to fuck our pasta up, though.
Alright, that's entertainment too.
Let's go,
What is
baby.
it? Anna mentioned my name. Now,
She said you need more oil.
I'm feeling.
She said you ain't got that slickness. You ain't slick with it.
Don't forget about the pasta.
I know. You just gotta think about the time. Time-wise, we're good. We got 5 minutes. Somebody said you can't cook. Show me what you're cooking right now. I'm about to go live with you, huh? Yeah, you like to cook, huh? Let me see what you got. I don't know how to cook chicken for shit.
Golden, take the pasta. Golden.
All right. How do I check the pasta? The pasta's good. The pasta, maybe like 30 seconds more.
Someone damn me, bro, you can't cook.
Damn, they're hating on you. Well, me too. Damn, I would hate to be that guy right now.
Did you turn it off?
It's ready. It's not. I'll do a little more, maybe.
Just give it
Just a little more, like.
Low meat.
Here, try one of these noodles for a texture. You just want to try it for the hardness softness. He's about to grab that shit in your mouth. Hell no. Corona time.
Ready to go.
It's Corona time.
Ready to go. Fire pasta. Clap time. Clap.
Yeah, everybody drop some clap. It's going wonderfully. The chicken, I feel, could use a little more oil.
Death by Romy, said Golden.
Yo.
What we make
I'm about to, let's get this shit cracking. Not too much. All right, perfect.
That's it. We're done with it all.
Yep.
Oh, Sophia Goodbye.
Sophia Goodbye in the cut. Yo.
Hey, yo, what's good?
What's poppin'?
Not much. I'm trying to see you cook.
That's what we're doing. Watch.
Ooh, let's see you flip it. Flip the chicken.
I'm
Ooh!
not doing that shit. We about to get
Come
chicken
on.
everywhere in this bitch.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
All right, hold
It's finesse. It's all in the wrist. It's all in the wrist, baby.
on. All right, ready?
What are we making?
Wait, where are you putting the... No, Golden, don't do it, Golden. I'm hungry.
What are we making?
We got,
Put that in there, no? It's fun.
we got the 3 cheese pomodoro.
Okay.
About to crack the seal right quick.
It's great.
It's gonna need a little second.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let me show you how this pour just went down.
What are we making?
Oh, we said...
Tell me the full recipe, good sir. Tell me the full recipe. What is happening, okay?
This is a freestyle right now.
I'm adding some seasoning.
Oh, it's a freestyle. We got the chicken and the pomodoro sauce.
We have literally no idea what we're doing.
It's gonna be so fire, though. It has to.
Yo, I need everyone out here to go stream Problems Remix right now.
The Problems remix is dumb fire.
Tommy.
You know, honestly, you killed your verse, and you're not a little bitch because you took it seriously.
Exactly. This is serious business.
That's all we do. That's all
joke.
we do.
The music's serious, though.
We have pork, so there you go.
I'm drinking the vodka lemonade.
What do you want?
Some more sauce?
Olive oil?
The sauce.
Do you got more sauce, though?
That's too much sauce. Oh, fire.
How are you holding up in this quarantine?
What's the question?
How are you holding up in this quarantine?
I'm thriving.
You're thriving. You're playing G6.
Yeah.
We have a 2010 playlist going on.
I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed.
You know the vibe.
I love it.
Like a G6. Alright, so now we get
Popping bottles in the ice.
You ready for this?
What are you
How
gonna
we
do?
sipping, how we getting hot.
Wait.
Get the pasta.
We
getting slizzard.
But it's best to do it and mix it all
So
up.
fly like a G6.
Drain the pasta.
Season with salt and olive oil. Put the temp on low and stir the
Anna,
pasta.
can you text shorter messages because we can't see it and get off the line?
How do we drain this pasta?
And do you have a strainer?
Nah.
This is an Airbnb. I'm here for the month.
You need a strainer, honey. You
All
need
right.
a strainer, and then you need to pour cold
You're
water
gonna
on the
keep water with
pasta so
that?
it doesn't
Genius.
overcook.
Genius.
Hold on. How about this? Check this. Oh, wait. Hold on.
Don't take
I
no
mean,
pasta. You took one.
I know. That's the thermometer one. That's how you get it out.
no,
That's how you get out the thermometer pasta.
no.
Yeah.
You need a strainer. You need
I do it my way.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna lose a couple of these
No,
guys.
no, stop.
We're gonna
Wait.
I know. I'll put it in the back. It's like fish, you know.
Golden, my boy.
Oh, there's so many. I hope there's like a smoke thing here.
This is not okay.
I mean,
Golden, we're gonna burn the chicken in the sauce.
You need to just make sure the pasta doesn't overcook. You need to pour all the pasta into a strainer. And then you need to cool.
Keep it on low.
Oh my god. Wait.
Wait,
I have an idea.
Talk to me.
Do you have the stopper for the drain for the sink?
What do you mean?
Like something to put in the hole for the water, like a stopper.
Oh, it's on the blue.
I'm gonna spill it.
If you have something like that, then you can pour all the pasta in the sink, but like...
Nah, this shit is fucked up because then we have dishes in the sink as well.
Oh no, don't let the pasta overcook.
Wait, Golden,
that is a number one.
Alright, we got a professional. What's up?
We don't know what to do with this right now.
You, boy, you need a strainer, my
Golden.
boy.
Take a plate.
Take a plate. It's not gonna help.
Don't use my plate. Use this plate.
It's not gonna help.
We need a big plate. Fast.
But it's hard. The pot is big and heavy, and we only have so many hands because we all.
I'm not that strong.
Damn, you guys are going hard out here. You guys are really working with what you got.
You feel me? We're just trying to make the best out of the cards.
That's all you can do. That's all you can do.
Alright.
What do you see?
So,
you see the sauce now.
Well, we should probably put.
Yeah.
Take right quick. Alright. I like all these messages down. Fuck that shit. Alright, turn off the heat.
Who said that?
Her.
Yeah, it's off. Bean off.
Gordon Ramsay would be proud.
Alright, pick up the pot. Pick up the pot.
On my hands.
Alright, you pick up the plate.
You gotta sacrifice your hands for this shit, my boy. At this point, you don't got shit going for you, so you gotta just do your best.
Oh, she's on your cake.
No, I'm just teasing. I'm a big tease. I'm a big tease.
Wait.
Yo, we snapping
We're
right
snapping.
now.
Go to the line.
Are we rinsing the noodles? Are we cooling the
Look.
noodles?
The noodles are vibing. You don't even know.
Woo! I can see the steam.
Right?
I know, we're mobbing.
It'd be so steamy.
Wait, go.
Y'all are killing it. I appreciate the effort. I honor the effort.
Is all the water there?
No, there's some water in there.
Alright, hold on. It's getting right in my face.
So steamy. Oh my god, you're getting a whole ass facial right now.
Yeah.
Keep going. No.
Alright. Put it.
Oh my god, Omar, what are you guys doing? I can't.
We're making fucking pasta.
No shit.
They're
Wait,
succeeding.
watch out, go.
They're
That's
trying.
good. That's good.
They're succeeding, okay? That's what they're doing.
And I'm so sorry.
My eyes are red because I have
Look.
Man,
a
I've been
weird
through the
taste
mud.
in it.
We snapped.
Yeah, fuck
And
Carol
now we're
Baskin.
gonna take the pasta and put it here.
Fuck Carol Baskin. She fed her husband to the Tigers.
Yeah.
Take this and put it here.
Yes,
Okay.
Fire.
in the pasta right now.
Oh, throw some salt in this hole.
Yes, salt it.
Okay, go back to the
But I
Do we
put
have-
salt in the
do you have
water
olive
already.
oil?
Doesn't
Do you
that
have
already
olive
do it?
oil? Do you have olive
There
oil?
was salt in the water.
Someone told me no olive oil because then the pasta won't stick to the sauce.
No, you need to put olive oil in the pasta or it's gonna stick.
Well, they said the sauce won't stick, but then like
No,
the
they're a
It didn't
damn lie.
stick.
They're
It
a
didn't
damn
stick.
lie.
It didn't stick.
the pasta's cool. It's cool right now.
Yeah, I can
They're
put
a
some
damn
olive
lie.
oil.
You need to put some olive
Should I
oil
put
in the
some olive oil?
pasta, and then
Just a
you
little
need to
bit,
add
yeah,
the
just a little bit.
sauce.
Bye, and I gotta go. I'm busy.
I love you. If anyone told you not to put olive oil in the pasta, they're a fucking snake.
They said don't do it while the water is there.
Well, the water's gone.
Okay, Golden, I'm putting this.
That's true. The water is gone.
You need to put some olive oil in that shit, or it's gonna
I already
stick.
did. I did. Don't trip. Don't trip. It's good.
I
Bring some
trust
more
you.
new people to
I
the line.
trust you.
All right. We gotta bring some new people.
I'm
to
really
the line.
busy. I gotta go.
Love. Someone said do not put olive oil.
What happened? You guys
All
are living.
Let's see what Val said. All right, we'll go take a random. We'll go take a random person. Little Happy Meal.
See, that's someone I need. That's good. We snap heavy.
I feel like there's not enough sauce in this bitch. Throw some more sauce. Throw some more sauce.
Not in there though.
Yeah, in here.
It's gonna be freezing.
No, the pasta heats it up. Yo, what's up?
Hello.
There was enough.
You know how to make pasta?
No, I'm like.
Get your bitch ass out of
Little
here.
Happy Meal.
Come on.
Yo, that sauce crazy, Golden.
Yeah, but we need more sauce. Just dump the rest of it, bro, because the ratio is bad right now. All this pasta, yeah, the ratio is it's like
That's
we
what
go.
we got. We need to go to Trader Joe's maybe tomorrow again, then too.
There we go. This is we definitely it's nearby.
Not gonna have anything to eat tomorrow.
We still got the quesadillas and
No
shit.
chicken.
True. Yeah, we're back, baby. We're back, baby. Don't need trip. Don't need trip.
We snapped.
Hey, wait. Now grab the Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna stir it in too, and then.
No, that's everyone.
I know, but we need.
For himself, for the entertainment.
But you need a little bit of cheese in the bitch, just to give it the texture, man.
Two different kind of cheese or just the Parmesan?
Just the Parmesan. Every man for himself.
Mm-hmm.
Said every man for himself. Like you hold this, I got my pants are falling. Shit's all fucked up, bro. We love the environment on this side.
Jeez, we snap. I hope Kids Culture is still here.
Yeah.
See how we snap.
Kid culture.
I know he had nothing better to do than staying in this live and watch us cooking.
Exactly.
Someone said, yo, add me, I'll help you. Let's add him.
See you soon. It's kind of scary. I don't know.
Okay.
Well, this game's spectacular. Someone said hot sauce. You're
Yo,
crazy.
was that?
You're crazy.
That shit was real as fuck, yeah.
You know what this sound like?
No.
Good pussy. All right.
Fire, we done.
We're done.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate you guys for watching.
We're about to do it every night, guys.
Every Tuesday, Cooking with Golden.
There's only 4 episodes?
I guess so.
I know. I'm very busy. I gotta go.